Today I'm going to talk about the 1997 Saturn SC2. And have you ever gotten the P0304 code on a diagnostic? Say your check engine light comes on and then you check for codes. You may get this P0304. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that and what that could possibly be. First of all, I want to talk about the Saturn. The Saturn uses what's called a wasted spark system. Let me get a little bit closer. The wasted spark system, the spark plugs fire in pairs, with one plug in a cylinder on its compression stroke and the other plug in a cylinder on its exhaust stroke. The extra spark during the exhaust stroke has no effect and is thus, quote, wasted. So, if you're getting the P0304, the last two digits, the 04, is telling you that you're getting some type of resistance on the fourth cylinder. So, now on the Saturn does not have a distributor. So it uses what's called the ignition control module, which is right in here, where all the coils attach. And those are what's called coil towers, right in here where all the wires connect. So if the code is telling you that you're having some type of resistance, actually it says cylinder number 4 misfire detected. Usually on my car, on this car, every time this has happened, it's been an issue with corrosion on the towers. So what I would do is I would just check your towers, remove all the wires, check the towers for corrosion, and you can use anything like I use steel wool. You could just use steel wool and clean those towers really good, and that usually corrects the problem. So anyway guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this helps you out.